In 2016, Geoffrey Hinton, the godfather of AI, predicted that radiologists would be obsolete within 5 years.
People should stop training radiologists now. It's just completely obvious that within 5 years, deep learning is going to do better than radiologists because it's going to be able to get a lot more experience.
AI could read scans faster and more accurately than humans. Fast forward to today, demand for radiologists is at an all-time high. Why? Because cheaper scans lead to more scans, which lead to more complex cases, which increase demand for human expertise. That's Jevons Paradox at work, a 160-year-old idea from economist William Stanley Jevons. He found that when technology makes something cheaper and faster, demand doesn't drop, it explodes. Here's another example. When cloud computing cut infrastructure costs by up to 90%, according to McKinsey, companies didn't shrink IT teams, they scaled. The demand for DevOps and cloud architects exploded because cheaper infrastructure unlocked new projects and new products. As AI slashes the cost of support, analytics, content, and operations, you won't do less. You'll finally do what you've probably been postponing. More campaigns, more customers, more automation, more scale. Here's the point. When AI makes your operations more efficient, you're not removing jobs. You're unlocking hidden demand. AI doesn't shrink consumption. It expands your capacity to grow. For more practical tips like this, follow along.